Did you know that you can harness the power of social media data to significantly increase your brand's reach? Social media platforms offer businesses the opportunity to learn more about their target audience and track engagement patterns. To discover who your target audience is, you need to dive deep into follower demographics, such as age, gender, location and interests. Analyzing follower demographics provides invaluable insights into your audience, allowing you to tailor your content accordingly. One key aspect of a successful social media marketing strategy is tracking engagement patterns. Implementing a social listening strategy allows you to monitor brand mentions, identify influencers and competitors. Recognizing influencers and competitors in your niche allows you to stay on top of industry trends and collaborate with relevant brands. User-generated content is a great way to get creative and share experiences or feedback, ranging from photos, videos to blog posts. Refining your paid advertising strategy ensures your marketing budget is utilized effectively, raising brand awareness and driving growth. Integrating social media management tools can help optimize operations and maximize time efficiency. Are you ready to dive deeper into the world of social media data and unlock its potential for your business? Embrace the power of social media data to unlock the full potential of your brand. For more information, head over to our blog to read the full article.